for web. So from that perspective, I wanted to understand the profile of each one of you. Before that, let me share my screen and let me show exactly what kind of website am I talking about and what is the requirement. All right. So, Ishmanpreet, can I share my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
I think I can. Yes. Okay. Okay. All right. So, okay. IBM. IBM Global. Uh, okay. Yes, now the screen will be visible to you guys, I think. So this is one of the, you know, sites which, it's a very basic site. It's a research company, so obviously not, it's a services sector. So nothing, rocket science here. So I'm just trying to show you that this is the kind of look and feel that we require, or maybe better than this, if we can achieve. So I would want to know who of you have the expertise and experience and confidence of doing this. Okay, how much time required and how will you go about doing this? Right. So this is all I wanted to show you guys and discuss. Screen not visible to the screen is visible to you guys now. Is it?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Yeah, so this is another, such company can see your application. Let me change my network. I don't know why it's taking a lot of time to load. Let me just see if I can connect. I have typed the URL of the company. Please check this out at your end. Some reason this is not opening up right now, so you guys can view this. So this is another reference website. This is something similar that we want to achieve. So let me know who of you think you can deliver this and what will be the requirement from your side, and what is the timeline that we should look at, and why do you think you have the required skills, and you can demonstrate something that you have done similar in the past. That will be helpful. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah. So, all right. So, have you guys gone through the website that I shared with you all in the chat?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So, so can I, know from you all how many think that they can deliver something similar? Have you guys worked on a similar thing? Please tell me that first. Have anyone of you
Yes.
have the understanding of what language has been used, and what are the possible ways, how much time will it require, etc. Yeah, so you can speak one by one, please. Ritesh, do you have any experience, any similar experience? Ritesh, have you worked on a similar project? Do you have any experience? Do you think you'll be able to deliver this? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you worked on something similar?
Yes, ma'am. I created a restaurant website like this. But
Okay.
the features are quite high in it. But I can create it. I have confidence.
Okay. What language did you use?
Ma'am, in that project, I used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, but I know React also, React Node.js and MongoDB for
Okay.
backend.
So was this a standalone initiative? I mean, you did the restaurant website yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Most of the work by me, but my friend also helped me. One friend.
And what, I mean, what was his expertise and what were your expertise?
Ma'am, his expertise was CSS, and I created a lot of CSS and HTML and JavaScript. He kind of helped me in whenever I stuck.
Okay. How much time did it take for you to create this?
Ma'am, this I don't know. Time not.
You don't know how much time you took to develop the website?
Ma'am, this website I don't know. That website I created in one week.
In 1 week. Okay. All right. And how about the content, etc.?
Ma'am, content. What kind content, ma'am?
The content that goes into the website at different tabs, etc.
Yes, ma'am. It's a restaurant website, menus, and all those stuff. I can share the link, ma'am.
Yeah, please.
Wait a
So
minute.
see, everyone, actually what we would want is so this is the requirement that we have showed you. So what I would want is, please, write to us with, a detail, maybe in a paragraph or few lines, as to why you think you will be able to do this. Okay. And how much time will it require, and what kind of similar project you have undertaken, and attach the, share the links with us of similar projects, so that, or whatever you have created in the past, so that we can assess, we can do assessment and identify who is most suitable, okay, for our requirement, right? Okay. And also mention if there are any other expertise that you have, if you, because see, it's just not about the website that we'll build. We'll have to run, maintain, we'll have to do a lot of digital marketing related activities along with it, right? So the idea is to develop the entire team which can develop these websites, manage, maintain, run, do SEO, SMO, and have a strong digital marketing presence that can be created. So someone who has good, if you, any of you can offer the entire package, as such, it will be helpful for us to consider. So we what we would want is a mail from all of you all who are interested to take up this assignment. Okay, we are a research company. We have IT as a separate, vertical and offering, and we have quite many contacts who have similar requirements of, IT, web development, and management and digital marketing and things like those. So we are looking at starting a separate vertical to do this on a regular basis. So we need to identify quite a few people who are capable of doing this, and we'll give you an opportunity, and we'll make this happen. All right. So can I please request you all to, share these details, share this write up. Okay. And let us, have this by today itself, share by end of day today, so that again tomorrow we can, we can review everything by today, and tomorrow we can again connect and decide, you know, whose work we liked, and we'll do another round of, maybe cross questioning and discussion, and finalize everything by tomorrow. Okay, Ishmanpreet, is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
So what we need from them is a write up stating why they think they are the most appropriate people who think that they are appropriate and they can handle the development, and along with development, website development, if so it's only the coding part, or is it the complete graphical interface, it's the overall look, feel, and content and all that they can handle, or they would need some support to develop that, right? The project is creating this website, And then the add-ons are, if they have capability of, some knowledge of SEO, SMO, digital marketing, then these will be add-ons, these will be helpful, right? So we require a write-up, and we require supportings of that write-up, so the work that they have done, a demonstration of those work, so they can share either the links with us, so that we go through those links and review their work and assess. Okay, like Ritesh was right now discussing that he's developed a restaurant website, so he can share the link with us. We'll review and see the quality of his work. Okay, and expected timelines to deliver this. How much time they think they'll be able to, they'll take to deliver all this. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I'm very serious. Actually, I have worked on this project, but I just created a single page, that is a registration login page. So I'll do this by today and submit it till night. Is it fine?
Please come again, Sayali. What were you saying?
Actually, I have worked on this, but I just created a single page of registration and login. So for this
Okay.
project, I take time till night. So is it okay if I get a bit late for it?
Yeah,
But
yeah, it's
before
okay.
12.
No problem. Yeah, yeah, please, please. So the idea is to see if you have the capability of doing this, how much time you can estimate. Okay, so we'll evaluate you on the quality of work. Okay, the timelines that you're proposing, the ability of single-handedly managing this or with minimum support managing the entire website development, and website digital marketing related capabilities, if you have any. All of these will be value adds, right? And we'll score each one of you on all of these parameters and the relevant experience. So the work that you share, we'll evaluate that, we'll rank and assign you scores on each of these parameters. Ishmanpreet, I would want you to please note down these parameters that you would need to assess all of these people on. One is their confidence and capability of delivering this with minimum support. Okay, then relevant experience. Okay, so websites, etc., similar work that they would have done, if they share that with us. Then the kind of digital marketing or any other value adds that they bring in apart from the website development, and the time that they take, all of that, these 4 5 parameters we'll consider for shortlisting.
Ma'am, I have a
Okay.
doubt.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, will the experience thing matter? Because I'm a first year student and I literally have no experience, but I am confident that I can work on it.
Yes, sorry, come again, please. You're saying you're confident that you can do it. What else?
Yes, ma'am. But I have no experience of working.
You have no experience, and it is difficult for us to, if you have not done anything, then it's difficult for me to believe that
No,
you
ma'am.
have
So
the.
that's why I said that I'll submit the project in time, the task that you gave in time. So then you can
Okay.
decide whether I am
Yeah,
capable
yeah,
or not.
absolutely. Yes, please. Yes, please do that.
Can you please share the task details on WhatsApp? Because I joined late, that's why I missed something.
Yeah, so what we are saying here, Yash, is that we need to understand. So I had showed a website, I have shared in the chat, a link of a website. So we are looking at a similar website development activity, okay, for another company. Okay, for our, this is our company only, for which we are trying to revamp our existing website. We are trying to change it and come up with something which is more recent and more new. And this is a market research and technology company, so the website should have similar look and feel. Okay, so for that, we have given one assignment to you all to write to us as to why you think you are the most capable person to undertake this, exercise. share similar website development work that you would have done. Share the work that you have done for us to review, and also let us know how much time you think you will take to develop the entire thing, and whether you'll be able to do it with minimal support or not, and what else will you require from your side, to complete this assignment. Okay, so please
Yeah.
come back to us with all of these details, and then we'll review each one of your work. Okay, and then shortlist the ones who are most appropriate.
So we have to
Ma'am, I
like,
just
Sorry.
instead
so we
you
have to
on chat here in Zoom meeting.
Yeah, sorry. So, yeah, what is your question? A website is a bit slow.
Ma'am, I
That's why it took time loading while you were trying to load it. Website looks
sent
promising,
you
but
a
I think
direct message in Zoom website में तो
your voice is breaking. Can you please come again and tell me what is it that you require?
Ma'am, I sent you a direct message in Zoom here. You can check the message and that's it. I wanted to
Okay.
say
That message about
this
website
much
is bit
only.
slow. That's why it took time. No, I don't think the website is slow. Actually, it's the internet connection that I am using probably is not allowing me to open it faster. The website obviously is up and running, and it's a pretty old company. It's one of our sister concerns. So, I don't think website has a issue. Right now, the issue was with
Okay.
my connection. Yeah.
Okay,
So that's
ma'am.
the similar, yeah, kind of work that we require, guys. Okay, so I'll wait for your, you know, mails and details, and then we'll decide tomorrow. Okay.
Ma'am, your mail
Okay.
ID.
Hmm.
to maintain a doc regarding that and also share
Yeah,
us
we'll
and
share.
also share our resume too even. Or
Sorry.
no need. Ma'am, we have to share our resume with this event too. Because we have shared
Hanji,
our
yes, please.
resume with the work experience and
Please, yes,
everything.
please. In the mail, you can always attach your resume as well, along with the work and the explanation as to why you think you are the most appropriate person.
Okay, ma'am. And the second thing, can you please repaste the link and the mail over here because it's not in the chat. Matlab, I can't see it.
I will send in group.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. All right, guys. Anything else?
No, ma'am.
I think that's all right, Ishmanpreet. So we can probably end this here, and you can share the required details with them if they require anything, and please ask them to revert back to us. Okay, with the details.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. Thank you. Thanks, everyone.